Today we're going to use AI and it's going to get us the money, okay? It's so easy. It's so easy. It's going to do the work for you. You don't have to do nothing at all. You're just going to collect that money. I'm just going to show you step by step what do you have to do. So hit that subscribe and let's go. Now, a lot of you have heard about this OpenAI thing, and a lot of people are using this website right now, and it's all because of GPT chat. You've heard about it, ChatGPT. It has been exploding on the internet recently, and everybody seems to use it. Now, this is what I wanted to show you, how popular this got. OpenAI.com now has 300 million total visits each month, okay? But it was never like this. If you scroll down, you will see that this website had only like 20 million per month. So this was month of October and November. But just take a look at on December, guys. It has just been skyrocketing, and I can only wait to see how much is it gonna be in the month of January, okay? So this is a really good thing. And it's all because of this. ChatGPT is an AI software which is gonna write for you anything. It can code, it can, I don't know, make you pictures, it can answer you different questions, it can do math, but today we're gonna use it in order to write something for us. So I can just quickly demonstrate this to you. So you can just type in, can you write me 200-word blog post about weight loss, let's say. That's going to be as an example. And as soon as you hit enter, it is going to give you this. It's going to write this in a few seconds. And you can just change this to, I don't know, 400 words. But today I'm just going to use 200 words because I'm using this traffic source, which is working like that. So I can just leave this in the background because today's strategy is not going to revolve about weight loss. I'm just going to tell you something else. I have a simple strategy to make money, and you can just use the make money online niche on the internet, which is existing right now. So this is actually what you can do, okay? So this website is called freecash.com. And this website is like survey site or gaming site where you can just get some money to complete simple tasks. And you can see, guys, it's a very good website. On Trustpilot, they're really rated high. Just take a look at this, 26,000 reviews, and they've got 4.6 out of 5. But today we're not gonna go and we're not gonna earn the money with surveys or games or offer walls or whatever. We're gonna use something else on this website, and I'm just gonna tell you why I use this website. It is because of this. Just take a look at this. Freecash.com has 9 million total visits each month happening. So it's a popular website to just come and to get the money from it. So you can see that it is a constant number. The website is even growing, not as OpenAI, but it is growing slowly and steadily. It has a growth. And this is good to know, all right? Because it's a successful website. You can even use this information in order to promote this website because that's exactly what are we going to do. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to make yourself an account. Just enter your email address. You know how to do it. And then when you do it, you're going to go over to reward section, okay? So reward section has referral code of yours. Your referral code is going to be in here. You can even make your own. So you can just type whatever you want. And now you can just copy that link of Freecash. Because when you share this to your friends and to people all over the web, you're going to get a commission from whatever they do. So for example, they will just go on the earning option and they will just do these games. So for example, you can see that for this game, you can get $20 just for playing it. For this one, 3.79. For this one, 1.5. But of course, they can just do these like offer walls and all of these surveys, and they can cash out in various ways. So you have PayPal, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. You have a lot of these gift cards, as you can see, and you have some skins for games. So you can mention all of this in your propaganda. Okay, so you're just going to mention that there are a lot of these like cash out options, and you can even get the crypto in here. So that's going to be good for people. And you can even tell them that there is average money earned by users yesterday on the platform. So this is changing each day. And for example, you can see that for yesterday it was 7.68 bucks. So someone made like $1, but someone certainly made like 20 bucks. And if you just take this average amount and if you calculate that by 30 days in a month, this is what they can get just by using the website each month. Okay, so it's a nice side hustle, as you can see. But now we have to promote it. Okay, so this is what we have to do. First of all, go back to our ChatGPT. Now we have to write. Can you write me an article of 200 words, actually 200 words, about how to make money online? That's it. Now it's going to write you 200 words about how to make money online. And while it is doing that, we go to find the traffic source, which is actually going to get us paid. And this is it. This is Quora.com. And I use Quora because it has a lot of traffic. It comes from all over the world, and you have various people coming here and answering and asking questions. So you can just search the Quora for this, how to make money online. You can just type that in, and you will get a lot of these responses, a lot of these questions. You can see it right here. What's the easiest way to make money online? How do I make money online? How do I make money online without spending money? And you can see that these have a lot of answers. So this has a lot of traction, and a lot of people are looking for these. Just take a look at the number of these questions on Quora.online. I mean, a lot of people are asking this same question. So what you can do is you can just simply go and get inside of one of these. And I suggest that you go inside as many as possible, because that's going to increase your chances. And what do you have to do? You have to make yourself an account, of course, and then you just have to answer. Okay, so you will just answer to this person, and this is where ChatGPT comes in. We left this beautiful software to write us a 200 words blog post about how to make money online. And you can see that the first on the list is online surveys. That is where free cash is going to go. So you can just now copy this whole response, and then you can just paste that response as your actual answer, okay? And this is how it's going to look like. So if it doesn't look nice, just make sure that it looks nice. And then at the bottom, you have to add something like this. By the way, this is one website that can make you a lot of money. I will get small kickback if you click on this link, but you can easily get $200 from the website if you complete the tasks. So it is important that you're honest with the people, okay? So you can get them that you will get a small kickback if they click on your link, but they can easily get $200, as we have seen from that average money earned yesterday. They can even get more, but you don't have to exaggerate. So now you can just click on this, and you can just edit this out. So you can make this into a link. So you can see this option. If you click on this, you will just enter the URL. And of course, that URL is going to lead people to your referral link on Free Cash. So you can just take that link, whichever one you have made, you copy the link, and then you paste it in here. So this is going to become a link. Now you can see that this is a different color now. And all that you have to do is you have to click on the post button, and it's going to be as an answer to there. And what I honestly suggest, guys, is that you answer to as many of these as possible. Just take the action, and I'll catch you.